Matthew, 6'1", Purdue University, D1 athlete. Down, wide receiver. Yes, sir.
That's wide receiver on YouTube. 5-star recruit, 4'11".
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I'm here with the 5th vlog. I'm not trying to waste y'all time, so let's get right to it. It's a banger. Let's go.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turn to the city, I broke out the night.
Put in his pants.
Got some more millies that keep me a knot. I created history. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Nothing, it's like ice. Are they real silver?
Shoot. Give him that dot. What do you have to say, Luke? How you enjoying the snow day?
The wind, look at that throw. Would have hit him. I'm actually committed to Alabama.
Look, your
QB,
face is all red.
6'6" is pretty cold out here. If you can't see.
Are you used to snow?
Yeah, you know me.
You know you, the Fortnite player.
Yeah, what do you mean Fortnite player? I'm like, oh.
But you never go outside. How you used to the cold? He's gonna take off the snowman's head with the boxing gloves. Let's get right. Let's get right. The snowman. Hold up before you do it. Face off. Give it a little face off.
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of professional wrestling.
Starting in one corner, we have the world champion, undefeated, 6'4", Snowman. And on the other side, we have Matthew.
Hey, knees down?
Yeah, knees down. You gotta get on your knees. Pause. There's nothing wrong with that, but yeah, gotta get on your knees. Okay.
Yo!
Dang!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Dang! Separate. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. There goes the pace. Down! That's a KO. 2, 3, 4, 5. Who cares about the rest? Let's go! W's. 10. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Hard work pays off.
Simple.
That's what we like to see. Dang. Snowman, do you have anything to say? Help me. Oh, hell no. What we got? Snowman, we got to get a last effort interview. Snowman, what was your thoughts going into the fight?
I knew I was gonna die.
You thought you were gonna win? Well, you obviously got knocked the fuck out. Okay. Second question. What are your thoughts now that you don't have a head? And that's all we have time for, folks. Going back to the winner.
Let's go.
Going back to the winner. In the video, guys, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm streaming every single day on my Twitch, link in the description. If you want to see more banger content. And without further ado, that has been the video, and thank you for coming. Peace.
Anyways, that's it for the vlog. Peace.